Hello everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix YouTube lagging on PC. Now first up, what you need to do is to ensure you're using the latest version of your web browser. So outdated browsers can cause performance issues, so just make sure you're always running the latest version. Next up, you can also try clearing cache and cookies, since over time, cache and cookies can slow down your browser. Clearing them can help improve performance. Next, some browser extensions, especially ad blockers, can interfere with YouTube. So try to disable them to see if it helps with the latency. Next up, lowering the video quality can reduce buffering and lag. You can change this in the settings of the YouTube video player. Then you can also try disabling hardware acceleration. So in some cases, hardware acceleration can cause a bunch of minor issues. You can disable it in your browser settings. Next, you can also try ensuring your graphics drivers are up to date. Outdated drivers can cause video playback issues. And finally, make sure you're running a stable internet connection, because sometimes if your internet connection is low or has a very low Mbps, then it can surely cause lag for your video playback. Just make sure your connection is stable and fast enough for streaming. And that's it for today. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you next time.